Jumping and coming back. I just bought a Cadillac, go put some 12s in the back. Might cost some 22s on rubber band, look like the tire flat. On side kick, 10 yards, and I brought it back. Old pack of gas, make money, y'all midget bags. And I got them high prices, you don't buy it, I ain't mad. They might suspend my license, cause I'm swerving on their ass. I'm acting like Mike Tyson, I'm biting the ear, I'm hitting from the back. I just flipped another pack, and I just made another stack. Chase the sack, I ain't a rat, but I be where the cheese at. Crystals on the cocaine, we got ounces, we ain't selling bricks. Bustin' down just like your bitch, take the profit, pay the rent. I might turn that coke into a bag. I might turn that coke into a jam. Drop it, you can bring it back. Bring it back. When I hit it from the back, she just bring it back. Bring it back, bring it back, bring it back. If you done bought it, nigga, you can't bring it back. Bring it back, bring it back. Drop, cut a rock, and you go bring it back. Bring it back, bring it back. I smack her on the ass and tell her bring it back. Bring it back, bring it back. Threw it to me on the face, he told me bring it back. Niggas flexing pistols with more symbol right there with drugs. Yeah, I like the people, but we no key and this a cord coming down. Got 20 with bats or something. You can't know what the truth, you call them slipping. Cause I heard prison, it really.
What's up, guys? Randy here. Glad everybody's here today checking out my video. As you just saw, doing a Ford Escape Titanium, top of the line Titanium. Nice little SUVs. My mom actually had one of those at one time, Ford Escape. So nice little SUVs from Ford. But today's video, guys, I just wanted to talk about, I did some market research here in my local area, and I'll do that from time to time, just checking other detail guys, my competition's prices. Are you kidding me? Look, this right here, that Titanium that you've already seen, $150 to $175 all day, inside out wash wax shampoo, sometimes up to $200. We've got guys in my area charging $80 for a shampoo, wash wax, steam clean. GTFOH. Get the out of here with that crap, man. Are you serious, man? Like, I understand that auto detailing business, the barrier to entry is not, you know, you get you some equipment, get you a bucket, a sponge, and you're ready to go, a shop vac, you know, and you're ready to go. But please don't charge $80. $135 was another guy charged for a Prius full detail inside and out. That's $165 inside out. And they say don't worry about your competition because they'll play themselves out as far as their pricing. You can't survive doing $80 details, man. Okay, think about this. I'm working solo today. Oh, and David's no longer with the company. He was doing great. He got an afternoon job. So he's out of here. He called in no call. Well, he didn't no call, but called in 2 days in a row. So looking for a new full-time guy. But you take $80. Okay, from my house to this location was probably a 15-minute drive, 10 plus miles. So $5, $10 for gas, $10 for supplies. I'm already down to $60. $60. If I stop and get something to drink, you know, another $2-3. So I'm down to $57. I'm gonna spend 4 hours, 3 to 4 hours on one vehicle and make $57 profit. Are you serious, man? How? Don't worry about your competition. It's great to do market research and see what everybody else is charging. I'm glad that my work speaks for itself and I can command a higher price, but that's just, you're not gonna make it. You're not gonna make it. Get out of here with that crap. I'm getting ready to start the Escape, guys, and I'll be back. It's the foam that changes your life. It's the foam. The thick, frothy foam. It changes your life. Foam cannon, the best $21 I've ever spent in my whole life, I would have to say. Boom. The foam. Beautiful. Straight foaming. Foaming in the GA. So it's not the part of just the low ballers. It's just because I had to learn my way. I don't know everything, but I have learned so much more that I'm not going to charge myself out the door, out of business. I mean, come on, man. I just think it's because the barrier to entry into this business, you don't have to have a college education. You don't have to have military experience. You don't have to have none of that. You can just come up with an idea. I want to detail cars. I want to have a mobile car wash. I want to have a shop, and you can go for it. But just don't price yourself out, man. If you've got a family, and you're charging $80, and it's all about what your market says, but it's kind of hard to survive. If you did 2 full details in a day, that's $160. What do you clear after taxes, insurance? And of course, you're not going to have those things in the beginning, and unless you're the goody two-shoe that did everything by the book. But I didn't start that way either, and a lot of us didn't start that way. You got to have a means to an end to begin with. So, you take out insurance, taxes, car insurance, rent, electric, cable, all the bills that we have in this world, us middle-class folk have, and you're going to charge $80 for a full detail? You're going to work 8 to 10 hours a day in this hot Georgia sun for pennies on the dollar? Come on. Come on. Even if it's if this is your side gig, you got a full-time job. And come on, man. These are the people that give our industry a bad name. Don't give our industry a bad name just because you care what the customer knows. If you're pulling up to Mr. and Mrs. Claus that drive the big body Beamer and the big body Lexus, they've got the money. They've got the money. They called you. They've worked hard in their life so they can afford the right to call for services that we provide. Charge accordingly.
Drop it, you can bring it back. When I hit it from the back, she just bring it back.
Oh yeah, I'm mobile, so we go wherever. I usually have help sometimes. Oh, careful.
Coat cleaner than niggas who getting dressed for Easter. I think my new bitch a keeper. I'm talking about my heater. Out of town on my visa, I see your caps, man. How the fuck is they trapping it?